In this video, we will focus on connecting to the free of charge Access in a Box embedded software. You can use your smartphone, tablet, or computer to set up the software on the controller. This can be through a direct connection to your computer, a LAN connection, or via a WAN router with DHCP and DNS service. Once you have installed the hardware and powered the controller, it's time to configure your site. To do this, connect the network cable into the controller. Once the controller is connected, the rest is simple. Make sure your device or computer is connected to the same network and open an internet browser window. Note, when Access in a Box is connected to a router, then the router is responsible for the DHCP and DNS service. First, we will configure the terminal IP address to be the same range as the embedded software's default IP address of 192.168.100.1 to make connecting easy. Open the control panel in Windows. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings in the top left of the screen. Click on Ethernet. Select Internet Protocol version 4 from the list and then click the Properties button. Type an IP address in the same range as the default IP address. We suggest 192.168.100.10. Type in a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 and click OK. Your computer will now be ready to connect directly to the embedded software. Open an internet browser window and type in 192.168.100.1. You will now see the Access in a Box software login screen. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your system.